Learn Igbo vowel agreement in sentences in Igbo. Igbo, English. Number 1 example. It says, asịrị m ya laa. Asịrị m ya laa. Meaning, I asked him to go. Remember, in vowel agreement in Igbo, we mean, since we have two kinds of vowels in Igbo, heavy vowel and a light vowel. If you are going to use heavy vowel letters, you are going to use it throughout. If you are going to use light vowel letters, you use it throughout. That is what we mean by vowel agreement, without missing them. For example, asịrị m ya laa. Asịrị m ya laa. You will find out that a is a light vowel. I. This I is with dot under. You can see a. All of them are light vowels. Asịrị m ya laa. I asked him to go. O siri ofe egusi. O siri ofe egusi. Meaning, she cooked egusi soup. You will find out that this O is without dot under. That is heavy vowel. This I without dot under. O, A, all of them are heavy vowels. Another example. Ọ na-abịa taa. Ọ na-abịa taa. He or she is coming today. This is a light vowel sentence. Or it has dot under. A, I, A. All of them in these sentences, all these vowels in these sentences, they are light vowels without mixing any heavy vowel. That is vowel agreement. Ọ na-abịa taa. He or she is coming today. Another example of a light vowel sentence. Ọ mara mma. Ọ mara mma. She is beautiful. Let's see heavy vowel letters in sentence. O buru nnukwu ibu. O buru nnukwu ibu. O is a heavy vowel. O, that is letter O without dot under. U without dot under. I without dot under. All of them, all these vowels are heavy vowel throughout. That is what we mean by vowel agreement. Ego tere egwu ogene. Ego tere egwu ogene. Meaning, Ego danced ogene music. All these vowels are heavy vowels throughout. You can see A, O, A, U, O, A. Another one. Nne unu kere ekike emume. Nne unu kere ekike emume. Meaning, your mother dressed on occasion attire. All these vowels are heavy vowel. The last one says, ha dị mma. Ha dị mma. They are fine. This is light vowel. A, I, A. Like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more. Bye.